By default, OBS records your videos in MKV file format. In order to convert it to MP4, click on File and select Remux Recordings. Click on the three dots in here, go to the folder where you got your MKV files, find the recording and click on it to select it, and then click on Open. As you can see, now it is added in here. In a similar way, you could add multiple MKV files, and here you could see the target file which shows where the MP4 files would be saved. So once you're happy to convert them, simply click on Remux, and within a few seconds all your MKV files would be converted to MP4, and you would get a message saying Remuxing finished. Click on OK. You could click on Clear Finished Items where they got a check mark to remove them from here. Click on Close and we are done. Now if you go to the folder where the files are converted, you could see the original file and the MP4 files are next to each other, and MP4 files are slightly larger in size. You could double click on the video to open it and make sure it is playing properly. And finally, to save space, you could delete the original MKV files. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.